Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will be working on a Chevy Cruze and we will show you guys how to remove or how to replace exterior door handle mechanism for the rear door on Chevy Cruze. Rear left or rear right, the procedure will be practically the same. Stay with us, we will cover everything from start to finish guys. Quick introduction, we have more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop. And why we do all that? Because our mission guys here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you need to buy any tools or parts guys for your car, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get them for a good price and extremely fast shipping. So let's start on it now. So what do we need to do next? Right here, exterior door handle guys, that cap will need to come out now. Okay, this cap right here. So we need to remove, okay, that cap, plastic cap right here. Okay, and this one is extremely tight. So let me get a screwdriver or something to pull that thing out with. Okay, perfect. Now we need to get a Torx 20, start looking bit. Okay, let me focus quick to show you what the tools look like. Okay, like that. And right here in the middle guys, okay, we are trying to focus here. There is one bolt. You're going to see that bolt. Okay, right there. Almost there. A little bit to the right. Yep. And now you're going to start unscrewing that bolt and at the same time try to pull, okay, that cap out. Okay, eventually will come out. A little bit more up, that's it. You can see, cap is out. Now, what else we need to do now guys? Let me explain to you. Now, if you try to open the handle, it's completely blocked. Why? Because the mechanism, okay, for that cap is slid backwards. So we need to go ahead and screw the bolt back in, all the way. And we're going to explain why. Okay, perfect. Now the door handle works. What we are going to do now guys, if you try to pull it out, it doesn't come out. Okay, you pull out and then pull back, but nothing happens. Why? Because the mechanism on the inside, it's actually holding guys. So at that point, okay, we'll need to remove the door panel. Stay with us, we'll show you how to get to that point and we'll continue. So what do we need to do first? So we need to open the rear door, and rear left or right door is the same procedure guys. Right here, first thing that we need to do is under the door handle you have actually one cover, okay, that you need to pop loose. So okay, like that, we get it out. Perfect. And he has 3 clips on it. Let me show you, 1, 2, 3. They go in these holes. There is one screw with Torx 20. So if you need any tools or parts guys, you can check out the tools and parts in the description of the video below, and you can see where we get everything of our parts from. We remove that screw. Perfect. Now right here we have another cap. Okay, check out. This is in that door handle. Perfect. And we have one more screw just like the one that we already removed. And this one is with the same tool, Torx 20. So far, not complicated, right? Okay, we got it out. Now we get a plastic panel remover tool. Okay, and we start guys getting that panel loose. So let me explain what we'll be doing. We need to find a spot where we can put the tool in. You need to start prying a little bit. That tool is good that it doesn't cause damage guys. It's very very tight, so find a spot where you can get the tool in good and you can pry. I don't think this door has ever been removed. No, it's tight. But once you get the tool in and you can get your hands in, okay, here you have to be careful because the door will fall apart, so we need to grab and pry right here. Okay, not to break your door panel. The same thing applies to the front. because otherwise you may break your panel, guys. Perfect. If you break any clips, we have the replacement clips in the description of the video below. Now, okay, let's see here if it's stuck or if we have side clips, because sometimes you have side clips. That's why it's a good thing to always watch, guys, the video to know what's happening. It just goes in. Okay, let me see now. Yep, we need to go up. We just need to lift it up. Perfect. Need to lift it up, need to get out of the lock button. Now we need to disconnect the door handle. How you do that? Okay, let us explain you quick. Okay, that tooth right here, okay, needs to be pried up a little bit. Then it comes out, and it comes out of here and pull the ball out. Next, okay, the wiring harness for the window switch. Press in, pull it out. Okay, let me see if I can get it with that hand. Yep, right there. Press in, pull out. And you can see the door panel came out. Let us show you now where all the clips are, guys. So you need to know. Facing with the back, okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one clip is missing. Right here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Two clips that we broke, guys, and that we will need to replace. Now, once you remove them or replace with new one, you just push them in. We're going to get a clip removal tool now to actually get them out. Otherwise, you won't be able to install the door panel later. So, let us show you now, okay, where that is. So this is the clip removal tool. Okay, we're going to go down and up. We have two of them. One here. You go underneath, and it pops out. One more. You have to go on the very last layer, pull it out. Now, how you guys install those when you get new replacement ones? I'll go ahead and order some. I'll share the link, guys, in the description of the video below. But you just push them in the canal until they go in. Okay, and you will be practically, guys, okay, ready with the door panel now. So next, okay, we have that weather strip out, and if I get my hand through here, guys, okay, let me see if I can explain to you what I'm talking about. Okay, I'll try to remove the light to place it in here so you can see what is happening. No guarantee that it will work, but you can see that arm that's going up, that's going to the door handle. So what you're going to do now, one person is going to move the handle open like that, all the way open, while another person pulls the handle out, okay, and back. Okay, now twist it in an angle and pull it out, and exterior door handle came out. So next, guys, this is the exterior door handle mechanism right here, and if we look inside, okay, that orange thing, okay, this is that orange thing will need to come loose. So let me get my hand in there and you open it, guys. Okay, we open it and you can pull that thing out. Okay, just like that, you can see. Now we need to go on the outside. Okay, let me just get the light quick so we can position everything and you can see a little bit better. And here we need to get a reverse Torx, Torx, regular Torx. What is this one? 20. Torx 20, start looking bit there. And we need to get that bolt loose. I don't think you even need to remove it. Okay, just loose like that, that's good right there. And now, what we can do, okay, let me see if we have that seal on the outside or on the inside. I don't know for sure. Let me see which way. Okay, we need to slide that thing now. I think we need to just go ahead, grab it and slide it. Okay, out. Or maybe it needs more. we grab that mechanism now after you get the bolt loose, and all you have to do, sometimes it's stuck, just grab and pull it out, guys. Now you can see the whole exterior door handle mechanism, guys, came out. You can see just like that. So this is it, guys. You can see this definitely wasn't as complicated as we thought. Other cars are way more complicated, but that's how we removed that one. Now if you guys want to see how to replace the door lock actuator, we'll have the video on the channel, but that's how you replace the exterior door handle mechanism. So hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.